Consider a 40-meter bridge with maximum delta H of 1.596 that uses 2G40A abutments on either side. Using the level 1 calculations taught in BP211 or tier 1 calculations, with no additional tricks or tips you may have built into your design tool. And as a side note, this is a good time to make sure you can toggle all these features on and off. What is the factor of safety for uplift on the high side? Depending on your fill and ramp wall calculation method, your answer should have been somewhere between 1.15 and 1.3. At this point, you should be asking yourself, I thought this was a standard drawing. Shouldn't this work 100% of the time? Well, don't worry, it does. However, the standard drawings were developed with some basic tips and tricks. And the first, introduced in this course, is both the easiest to understand and the most logical: splitting of the cables. When we refer to splitting of the cables, I mean breaking all of your calculations into handrail and walkway cable forces. Because these force vectors are at such different angles, it can potentially make a very large difference. For example, in the same problem as above, with only splitting of the cables, I can improve my factor of safety for uplift on the high side to 1.58 from 1.3. Now, when we discuss splitting the cable force vectors, this will affect the cable analysis, tower analysis, foundation, and anchor analysis structural subsystems, and is important to build this into your design tool for Tier 2 calculations.